Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: celebrities in their battle with snoring. Yes, even the stars we admire aren't immune to this common problem. Let's find out how they cope and explore some groundbreaking solutions. Make sure to stick around till the end for an innovative treatment that's changing lives. First up is comedy queen Amy Poehler. Diagnosed with sleep apnea, a condition often linked to snoring, Amy turned to technology for relief. She uses a CPAP machine with a humidifier, improving her sleep quality and overall well-being. Global music icon Rihanna also faces snoring challenges. Maintaining health and energy is crucial in her fast-paced industry, and dealing with snoring has been part of her journey. Hollywood star Tom Cruise took an innovative approach. He created a soundproof snoratorium to allow his partner peaceful sleep. Talk about dedication. From soccer legend Lionel Messi to NBA giant Shaquille O'Neal, many celebrities have their own snoring stories. It's a reminder that this issue knows no bounds. Enter Dr. Marc Kayem and his game-changing SnoreX treatment. This non-invasive procedure offers lasting relief in just one visit. Unlike traditional surgeries with lengthy recoveries, SnoreX is quick, less painful, and highly effective. Patients report improved sleep, more energy, and most importantly, reduced snoring. The results are not just promising, they're life-changing. So whether you're a superstar or just a star in your world, snoring doesn't have to be a nightly nuisance. Dr. Kayem's SnoreX might be the solution you've been searching for. For more information, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of health and celebrities.